Welcome to today's 10-minute mindfulness meditation for manifesting miracles. Today we will explore the infinite abundance that arises when one is able to let go of limiting beliefs conditioned by present thinking of past experiences. When one can disassociate from preconceived ideologies that are hindering one's capacity for expansion and growth, a doorway into a world of potential opens. The veil of illusion, previously masquerading the awaiting magic, is instead replaced by a fully illumined appreciation of innate wisdom and trust in cosmic creativity. When you are ready, find a quiet and comfortable spot where you feel safe, and join us as we manifest miracles. Whether seated or lying down, afford yourself the opportunity to settle into the body, into the present moment, letting go of any concerns or thoughts you may be having about this practice or about events, goals, or to-do lists in the upcoming future. This meditation is already working as you are here. As you begin to relax into the now, allowing the mind to settle and thoughts to slow, tune into the positioning of your body, ensuring that there is an even distribution of weight across both hemispheres. Can you relax the muscles of the face, the neck? Can you soften the shoulders? When you are ready, take 3 cleansing breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Pay attention to the gradual, deep inhalations and the slow, drawn-out exhalations. Begin to shift your awareness to the manifestation of the breath in the body, albeit subtle. Perhaps you notice the soft rise and fall of the belly, the chest. Maybe you feel the cool air traveling into the body through the nasal passages. Whatever it may be, allow yourself to fully embody the beauty of this magnificent life-sustaining process. As you focus your attention on the breath, you may notice a calming tone wash over your body. You might settle into your assumed posture with a little more comfort. Or perhaps feelings of uncertainty or distractions begin to dissipate. Whatever you observe, allow it to be, and continue to tune into the breath. From this relaxed position, begin to envision yourself surrounded by a radiant white light. This white light is glowing from within, illuminating your very being. From the crown of your head down to the tips of your toes, this white light is sending waves of unconditional love and abundance throughout your entire existence, You are protected. You are safe. From this vantage point, you can confidently let go of thoughts and behaviors that you were previously attached to. You can let go of all forms of negativity, trusting that you are pure energy and light. You begin to realize your infinite power. You begin to realize your connection to source energy and your natural capabilities to achieve and embody whatever you desire. When you choose to view life from this standpoint, you are choosing to be in alignment with the universe. You are choosing to let go of resistance and instead ride the waves of well-being. The more frequently you decide to live your life from this newfound appreciation, the more frequently you will observe manifestations of your deepest desires. Afford yourself a chance to be open to receiving. Be willing to allow miracles into your life. Believe that you are worthy and that you are capable, and the universe will begin to work with you. One of the most powerful tools to guide you into alignment with the nature of being is to intentionally feel good. Choose to entertain constructive thoughts of love and joy, and allow these trains to stimulate energetic feelings of bliss and happiness. When you practice feeling good, you are stepping into the receiving mode of all you could ever want to be, to do, to feel, to have, to believe. These goals and desires may be soon awaiting you, but the feelings are always available to you now. The present moment is where the creation begins. You can always choose to feel good. Perhaps this may seem to be a challenge at times, but trust that with practice it will become easier, and your natural set point for joy and abundance will magnetize these embodiments to you with ease. For the next few minutes, as you rest in silence and space, allow yourself to feel good about your current situation. You may choose to rest in silence, adopt a mantra of your own, or you may like to join along with today's affirmation whenever the mind begins to wander. I manifest miracles. I manifest miracles. I manifest miracles. Beginning to arrive in the body, perhaps letting go of the affirmation. Tuning into the breath, and in your own time, inviting small movements into your practice, affording yourself an opportunity to recognize your efforts for showing up today. Slowly beginning to blink the eyes opened. Thank you so much for joining this meditation on manifesting miracles. May you experience true peace and joy. Namaste.